Fix fingerprint not showing in setting. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Marina and let's get started. For this, you have to open your phone settings, so go ahead and do that. Now tap on the search icon and in the search bar you have to search for fingerprint. Now from this option, go ahead and tap on fingerprint. Again, in this list, we have to go ahead and tap on the fingerprint option so that we can fix it. Now under use fingerprint for unlock, make sure to toggle it on and off so that it can be refreshed, and also for privacy and encryption. Then to check if it is actually analyzing the fingerprint, tap on to add a fingerprint. Now just place and hold your finger right here so that to see if it senses or not. If it appears something like this, then your issue has been fixed. So this much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.